not.
Them catch
They did not catch me.
And it's me, them second in trouble.
Did they catch me? They didn't
Yes,
catch me.
they did
Did you hear
catch
what I
you.
just said, everybody?
Yeah, do it again.
See, they said no.
Do it again.
All right, so we eat these foods, Clivus, all year round, but
Well-
there are some snacks conducive to the solstice. Do you want to say something?
No, just... when
No,
you
but
say,
you're interrupting me. So,
No, no, when
¿qué
you say-
quieres decir?
No, when you say we, I was just going to say... It's not everything we eat.
He's a liar, because from the food catch onto the set, you've been in every single one of the plates.
That's a wicked one.
Crunch, crunch, lick, lick. So, should I go on?
Continue.
Right. So, I'm going to start over. We eat these foods all year round, but there are some snacks that are conducive to the solstice season. Out of a list of 28 summer snacks on MSN.com, our producer selected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them him to talk about this morning. So, I'm going to share my notes with you. It's really too easy to prove my point. All right, so while your mouth is full.
She says you're going to give us clues.
Oh, all right, go
Where
on
are
then.
the clues?
Go on
Clues
now.
for what?
Produce. To guess which one of these snack it is. For people like you. Be patient.
Oh, by the way, that Gramps song a while ago is one of the best I hear in a long, long time. Sir Gramps, big, big, big song. That kind of thing. Really, really nice. First I hear it. You've heard it before?
Yes.
First time I hear it. So we meet it the other one. Joey, you didn't know it?
Yeah, seems everybody.
So everybody in that place didn't know it?
Yes.
Clive never know it. Everyone never know it.
Everyone never knows any song, so that's. Love you,
But it's
Harold.
a big, big song. Big, big, big song. I would like to get that song, by the way. Yeah, but I'm waiting on the clue. I know.
Is that
George
the one?
Crumb's credit is the inventor of the summer food snack. It was featured in the Cook's Oracle, 1870, and on other versions appeared in cookery publications in the 1820s and 30s. So we must say it's one of these things right here? Oh, it's one of these.
Cook's Oracle. 19 how much? 1817. 1817?
Me said the burger.
1817?
What is it?
It's hard to believe any of these are around in it.
You know that me say? So if anything was around, then it must be the
I'm
burger.
gonna guess it was the French fries.
French fries? All right. Me say burger.
Are we both wrong? Awesome.
So we're wrong. Potato
Oh,
chips.
no way.
Mr. Crumb?
Oh, crumbs.
Crumbs.
Oh,
I soon tell him if it's true.
crumbs is dropping from
Crumbs drop, it's true. It's true. So we get it wrong. All right, so move out that.
But I guess it does make very logical sense when you
Why?
think about it. Kind of necessarily don't make crumbs drop. Well, the bread from the fries, maybe.
But you never have name
Breadcrumbs.
crumbs because, him could have named chips
Or potato.
or potato. Could have named Mr. Po Chips.
Indelibly associated with American cuisine, but the earliest incarnation of this food favorite was German. Hamburger, a snack of ground meat served in a brioche roll, came over from Northern Europe with German immigrants
Then
and
that's
spread
easy.
across the U.S.
Burger.
Ladies and gentlemen, I give you
The
la
burger.
hamburguesa in Espanol.
But that don't mean that says because you don't say ground meat is the only thing that is meat here and I must eat.
I dare you to heat it too.
When it makes.
It's a veggie burger.
You know, say if you didn't have a nice take of money, me, I eat it.
Shame
The next
on you.
one says invented in Belgium around the 17th century. Oops, potatoes still a drop all about.
Yeah, crumbs.
But one theory about how the snack got its current name is that World War II GIs made the assumption that the fried potatoes they were eating were French. Well, isn't that difficult
Ketchup.
to work out? No, man, that one there is the table. No, how difficult it is to work out. At the table.
Maybe it's a tea in your teacup. Here's
No.
your phone. Here's your phone.
I doubt it. Wait.
I'm gonna guess it's the fries. I don't.
Yeah.
It's a. It's
I
a
don't know. Is it the
random
fries?
guess.
It's right.
governor.
Yes, man, you got it.
Wow.
Okay.
Some art.
All right. Well, these two look like it is going to be the most difficult thing in life to work out.
English. Oh gosh, sauce. So would it be the donut?
The sauce. No, so how we all work out that one?
It's hard.
So we have 2 leaves.
One is a donut and
Folks,
one is a sauce.
Which one you think would be the sauce? Which one you think?
I'm not sure. Can we phone a friend?
You know, I'm going to take a guess.
No,
I think this
let's
is the
ask
sauce.
Jody.
No.
Jody's a foodie. Jody's a foodie.
This must be the sauce.
Ask Jody, what do you think?
It's a trick question.
Which one do you think, Joe?
Do it tough? I've never seen anything like that. That's why I'm going to take second thing in the crowd.
I'm going to guess it is the
Ketchup.
ketchup.
We're right?
I don't know. I don't think so.
Oh, man. No, this last one, I mean, I don't know if we can manage this one, I know. No, sir. This one, you cause the problem now. Because the last one come, you don't know how we work out that one. Yeah. Come, sir, make us see it. I feel we dead, you know, we don't see it.
Let's see the last one.
No, we can't
I
work
wonder
out
what
that
the
one.
last one is.
Come now. The next food treat was featured in an English cookbook from 1800. Though it's unclear if this is when donuts were invented, we do know that Dutch settlers brought this favorite sweet treat to the US. This is the most difficult one to figure out.
Did we just get the name of the answer in the clue?
So it was accredited to a sailor called Hanson Gregory, and it's accredited to a sailor called Hanson Gregory again. And the same sailor that it accredited to 2 times.
But it's a sweet treat, and she actually gave us the word donut
Yeah.
in the clue.
Around 10 billion of this sweet treat is eaten in America every year. I have no idea.
Wait, come,
how
let
we
us
all figure.
confirm. Come, school
Yeah,
challenge.
yeah, what we will do?
Go in now.
What do you think? Oh, the one leaf blowing, if you like that one there.
So then, just try and guess that one. Ready? Donut!
Donut! No, sir. Well, anyway, we have a bonus one now. It could be made at any carpenter shop anywhere in the world, and you put these things on top of it. You know, like how you see the thing just put on top of it, so, and this one put on so, and the one you put on.
Can you knock it like this?
You can knock it.
Can you put
Anybody
a
guess
tablecloth
what
over
is
it?
underneath this thing here? You win the donut.
And it's not the floor.
Is that a chair? Hold on, Chris.
It's not a chair. It's legs. Legs.
Legs.
Legs.
Yeah.
Legs.
Waiting. Oh, them say we have to go. So we'll work it out quick. What do you think, staff, man? What?
The cover.
Waiting. What is that?
It could be the table. Is
Staff
it the
man
table?
said no, no. Table!
Table!
No, sir.
We're on
You
a
win
roll.
scope.